What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jake here, aka BrusHstroKeZ, and today I just wanted to bring you a little video telling you about some awesome training events that are coming up. Well, one big training event that's coming up, and that is the PAINTKULT 2024 Elevate Your Skills training. It is custom paint and body shop classes. They're taking place just outside of Houston, Texas, in Rosenberg. And then it'll be next month, March 13th through the 17th. Now it's 5 days long, and there's 11 different class options. You do sign up for a class, you do have to stay in that for like the first 4 days. Like the fifth day, they kind of let you float around, go to other classes, and kind of network with other people, learn from some other instructors, ask questions, all that stuff. So like I said, 11 different classes. You got pinstriping 101, custom painted helmets class, auto body and restoration, advanced lowrider graphics, intermediate airbrush, advanced airbrush portraits. You got custom graphics and airbrushing combined. And then you got modern mini truck graphics, custom unique graphics, tumbler and panel class, and then airbrushing for beginners as well. It's going to be an awesome opportunity for you to learn. If you are interested in this as a profession or a career, I highly recommend going to this, even if you're a seasoned a seasoned artist as well. I mean, I've been painting for 6 years now, but I still have so much to learn, and I have went to two of these events before, similar events, large scale events like this, and they were extremely helpful. I learned so much, and the connections I made were amazing, because now when I have issues or problems, I have 10, 15 people I can just pick up the phone, give them a call, and ask questions. A lot of experienced people that can answer those questions and help me out, through tough times. So it's a great networking opportunity, great opportunity to learn. You can head over to paintkult.com. That has more details on it, all the classes as well. And I'm just going to let a little video play here for you guys, showing you all the classes, and I'll show you the instructors' names as well. So possibly you might see someone you've always wanted to learn from. This is your chance. So till the next one, keep those brushes stroking.